In the rapidly evolving development of Vietnam, positioned among the top 20 global economies in terms of trade and aspiring to achieve high-income status by 2045, the nation continues to surge forward, garnering international acclaim across diverse sectors. Among them, the city known as the Gateway to Vietnam, Hai Phong is solidifying its position as a central hub by linking and converging key economic zones, thereby extending its global influence. Recognizing its pivotal role, Hai Phong consistently invests in developing modern industrial zones. Notably, Tien Industrial Zone was directed for implementation and identified by the city as a key project. The Tien Industrial Zone established on May 27, 2022 by the Tien Industrial Zone Investment Corporation, covering a sprawling expanse of 410.46 hectares and with a total investment of approximately $196 million. The primary objective is to construct a modern industrial zone with comprehensive and internationally standardized technical infrastructure to attract domestic and foreign investors. The industrial zone is divided into three sectors, A, B, and C, connected by an extensive network of broad roads and canal systems in parallel, facilitating the smooth flow of prosperity. Situated alongside the bustling Thai Binh River, the adjacent port provides waterway transportation routes for many factories. The Tien Industrial Zone is equipped with a 110 kV power substation to ensure an electricity supply for the entire zone. Moreover, the power grid can integrate with alternative sources such as solar energy, contributing to cost savings for investors. The others, technical infrastructure to be constructed modernly comprising a water treatment plant with a capacity of 21,000 cubic meters a day and night, a wastewater treatment plant processing 15,000 cubic meters per day and night, and a solid waste treatment facility handling 7.5 tons day and night. Prioritizing social welfare for workers, the industrial zone emphasizes internal amenities like equalized lakes and extensive greenery, creating a healthy working environment. Furthermore, the city places special emphasis on constructing worker housing complexes with large-scale and modern facility adjacent to the industrial zone, ensuring a high quality of life for the worker. Looking towards a future of modern industrial development with a focus on being a comprehensive, multi-sectoral industrial zone, Tien Industrial Zone identifies key investment sectors as clean industries with low environmental impact, high-tech industries, and support and manufacturing industries. Tien Industrial Zone promises to be a lucrative destination for both domestic and foreign investors, leveraging its outstanding investment advantages in the region. Positioned centrally in the economic belt of Quang Ninh, Hai Phong, Hanoi, Tien Industrial Zone not only brings about favorable feng shui, but also seamlessly connects to the city's network of industrial zones and economic clusters. With a mere 95 kilometers to Hanoi capital and proximity to neighboring provinces within 20 to 50 kilometers, Tien Industrial Zone benefits from the modern and comprehensive transportation system of Hai Phong City, encompassing fully 5 types, such as roads, railways, seaways, inland waterways, and air routes. This synchronous infrastructure investment ensures smooth, rapid, and continuous transportation of goods between Tien Industrial Zone and neighboring industrial zone, economic areas, and major border crossing. Furthermore, the convenient transportation system helps Tien Industrial Zone easily attract labor from neighboring regions, including Hai Duong, Hung Yen, Tai Binh, and Quang Ninh. These areas are home to 4 universities and 25 colleges, collectively producing 45,000 graduates annually. Tien Industrial Zone offers attractive incentives for ecological enterprises in alignment with the orientation of developing high-tech and innovative industrial zones. Tien IZ extends special incentives for projects in innovation and research centers or projects in especially incentives investment industries. Recognizing the importance of social welfare for workers and laying the groundwork for sustainable development in the Central Industrial Zone, the Hai Phong City People's Committee has allocated an 8-hectare land fund in the northern part of the industrial zone for residential development purposes. This residential area will include various functions, cultural facilities, sports facilities, and public utilities, aiming to accommodate around 20 to 25,000 people. Following its establishment, Tien is expeditiously undergoing procedures and is set to commence construction soon. Phase 1, covering an area of 150 hectares, is expected to provide ground for secondary investors in 2024. Phase 2, with a land area of 150 acres, is slated for implementation starting in 2026. And Phase 3, covering 110.46 hectares, will commence in 2029. Additionally, the investment schedule can be expedited according to the needs of secondary investors. Boasting favorable natural, strategic, and human factors, Tien Industrial Zone holds the promise of being a prosperous destination for insightful investors, contributing to the economic advancement of the nation. Tien Industrial Zone, building success together.